Do you know why you can enjoy the taste and quality of our fruits and vegetables throughout the year? Because behind them there's a production model based on the strictest quality, controls and standards. The European production model. Food safety, sustainability, respect to the environment, traceability. There are some of the pillars of this production model that guarantee that only the best products arrive at your table. But how are fruits and vegetables produced to feed the whole Europe in a healthy and affordable way? Within this model, there are two production methods: open air, in the open field, and in greenhouse, like this one, in which we find ourselves, and that reproduces the condition of nature optimally. Do you want to discover how they work? Let's go deeper into the subject. The method of producing fruits and vegetables on open air, it is based on the use of respectful techniques with the environment, the responsible use of natural resources, and the protection and conservation of the soil, as well as the reduction of the use of phytosanitary products, highlighting crops such as apple in Poland and watermelon and melon in Greece and Spain. Surely you ask yourself, and what about the production here in the greenhouse? In Europe, there are different types of greenhouses, depending on the climatic conditions of each region. Some need to use glass structures and use artificial lighting to compensate for the fewer hours of sunlight. But others, like the one we are in, have different characteristics. Let's look at this issue more closely. In France, the greenhouses occupy an area of 11,500 hectares. They use mainly the energy of the sun to obtain the optimal conditions for the crop, combining it with the renewable energy such as solar energy or wood, and with the cogeneration systems through which thermal and electrical energy is obtained. In addition, the CO2 released during this process is used by plants to perform photosynthesis. On the other hand, they use natural substrates, such as coconut fiber or peat. They are inert to avoid the development of fungi and bacteria, thus reducing the use of phytosanitary products. During the summer, white canvases are laid on the ground to recover the sunlight and reflect it, being especially useful in winter when we have less sun hours. But how do the greenhouses like this work? Everything starts with the sunlight that passes through the cover of the greenhouse, being trapped inside the structure, and by heating the ambient air until reaching an optimum temperature for cultivation. That remains homogeneous through the day and through the year, and preventing the loss of heat by convection. In addition, to avoid excessive heating, a self-ventilation system using windows on the roof is used. On the other hand, the water vapor released by the plants and the high temperatures generated inside the greenhouse give rise to a high humidity, which creates a unique microclimate that favors the growth of plants. Thanks to the localized irrigation system, we provide the right amount of water at the moment the plant needs it most, favoring a more efficient use of water resources. We also greatly reduce the use of phytosanitary products through a biological control of pests and diseases, using auxiliary fauna. But these are not the only insects that help us grow our fruits and vegetables. Within the greenhouses, there are populations of bumblebees, which pollinate the plants from flower to flower. Now you know everything that happens inside a greenhouse, so that only healthy food reach your table with a high content of water, minerals, vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. A better freshness, a better security, everything to continue cultivating a better quality and a better taste. Cultivating the taste of Europe. Enjoy, it's from Europe.